Let me just circle back to what you said about the Diskaya couple, no? Kasi I don't know if napansin niyo po, merong picture that's circulating online. If I could just show it to you.
Yeah.
Can you,
Yan yung,
ito yung
yan,
meeting that you're
yan,
talking about.
yan yung pumupunta sila, nag-LGU hopping. Ako mapapansin nyo, iba pa yung itsura ko dyan eh. Mas bata pa ako dyan eh. Kaya early years siya nung ako'y maging mayor.
Mga kailan
Alam,
po to, sir?
nakita ko lang, hindi ko alam kung kailan yan. I cannot remember. Nagsi-circulate yan sa distrito ko ngayon galing sa kalabang ko sa politika. Sila sila naghanap niya, nakakita niya. I cannot really recall kung kailan nangyari yan. Pero I would suppose that's the early part ng aking nung ako'y mayor dahil yung itsura ng opisina ko, yung ayos ko, yan yung ayos ko nung ako'y early part of my mayorship.
And when the couple went to see you, nung dinalaw po kayo, nag-LGU hopping, like you said, did they ever offer any sort of commission, SOP, kickback, whatever they called it?
I think that will not be possible because it was in my office eh. Yung opisina ng mayor, kadalasan bukas yan sa maraming tao. Pag pumunta ka sa opisina ko, alam ng marami dyan, habang nagkausap ko yung isang grupo ng tao, naghihintay na yung susunod. Yung opisina ko is an open office. Kung ano yung pinag-uusapan doon sa labesa ko, naririnig ng mga taong kasunod na naghihintay. Kaya, I mean, kung ikaw ay isang forensic o investigator ka, isipin, kung meron kami pag-uusapang sikreto, o kaya yung hindi maganda o masama, hindi dapat sa opisina pinag-uusapan na yun. Kaya nasa opisina kami niyan eh.
And again, just to confirm, ito lang po yung one and only time that you met with the Diskaya couple.
Yeah, tapos alam ko nun, other invitation, wala na, hindi na. Ako, ayoko na dahil nga wala naman dahilan.